Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this PlayStation vertical stand by Sony. Yeah, so I got this import set, not the Sony Malaysia set. So this is a lot cheaper. I got it under 30 ringgit on sale in Shopee. So I'll put the link in the video below. And you get vertical stand here, mounting screw, attachment and instruction manual. So without further ado, let's just unbox it. If you have already seen my shot, I've also unboxed it there, but let me just show you what's inside here again. So you got your manuals here in all kinds of languages. It's pretty thick. And then you got your actual stand here. You got the screw that is mentioned, and then you got this cover if you use it on, you know, the fat PSU with this, and fat fat PS5, and then fat PS5 with this. So in my case here, I'm not going to use it because I have this PS5 Slim here with this, so I'll put that aside first. And then here's the stand itself. It's got a bit of a heft, and it's got this shiny reflective steel ring. It's actually made of steel. You've got your, the bottom here, and then you got your rubber feet here, 4 rubber feet here, so that it doesn't move around. It's pretty sturdy. And if you install it on your older PS5, the fat version, you're gonna have to use this. So I'm assuming this, you clip like this and then you install it. But for us, we're not using this. And yeah, let me start the installation process. So let me put this aside and bring my PS5 in the view here. And then first thing we need to do is to remove this dot here. So let me just remove it. Pretty easy. And then oops, so it is here, and based on the manual I can put this back in here. So they actually designed something that lets you keep this thing, which is cool. And then now I'm just gonna put it on the PS5 here. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. So for PS5 Slim, you put the original cap in this logo here. Not sure if you can see on my camera, but it's triangle and circle. Put the cap here, and then you screw at the square and X holes here. So just without any cover for PS5 Slim, the smaller ones, you can just put it down here and then try to align the holes. So yeah, basically like so. Pretty easy. So maybe just let me give you a bit more explanation. Is this notches will go into these vents here. So you just need to line it until you can see the hole, like so. And then put your screw in, and then just lock it in. It's actually quite toolless if you ask me. You don't really need this screwdriver, but yeah, it's just easier this way. And yeah, your installation is done. Now let me put this back, and you can see actually this part here is a bit more exposed than this side if you are using the disc one. So if you don't have the disc, you have just the digital version, maybe the circle down there will look a bit more even on both sides. But yeah, still it looks pretty nice and definitely a bit more secure now. I mean, it would definitely help if you use it on your PS5 Slim Digital, but for this with this, it's already quite sturdy. But with this is even more steady. Yeah, and it looks shiny, nice design, and I like it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video if you found this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.